If you're experiencing billing issues with iCloud, it's important to address them promptly to ensure uninterrupted service. Follow these steps to resolve your billing problems effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Verify that your payment method is valid and up to date. Go to your Apple ID account settings and ensure that the credit card or payment information linked to your account is correct and has not expired. Step 2. Review your subscription. Log into your iCloud account and check your subscription details. Make sure you're aware of the plan you are subscribed and any changes that may have occurred that could affect your billing. Step 3. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update it. Navigate to the payment settings in your Apple ID account and enter your new payment information, ensuring all details are accurate. Step 4. Check for pending charges. Look for any pending charges that may be causing issues. Sometimes, a failed payment can result from previous charges that have not been processed. Review your billing history for any discrepancies. Step 5. Contact Apple support. If the problem persists after checking your payment method and subscription details, reach out to Apple support. They can provide assistance and help resolve any billing issues you may be facing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems with iCloud. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Apple support.